Hi, everybody, and welcome back to All That Tesla Stock. At the point when individuals examine Tesla's fantastic value history and trading patterns throughout recent years, one name comes up much of the time. Cathie Wood, obviously, the acclaimed financial backer, has for quite some time been hopeful about Tesla stock. Be that as it may, in a new meeting, Wood explicitly cleared up why she accepts the stock will go on for rise and stop the auction. Presently, shares are up roughly 3% on the declaration, providing financial backers with a ton of motivations to be bullish on the electric vehicle producer. Today, we will discuss the reasons concerning why Wood believes that the Tesla auction is finished and furthermore her forecasts around Tesla's future stock cost. Remain tuned until the end since you won't have any desire to pass up this before we start. Assuming you like this sort of happy, hit the like button, buy into our channel, and turn on warnings to push modern on everything along on with Tesla. Cathie Wood is the president and CIO of Arstinvest, a wholly person Petersburg, Florida-based speculation the board firm that runs various effectively overseen trade exchanged reserves. Wood moved gradually up the money road stepping stool, beginning as a stock examiner at Resource the board Johnson Partners, and at last turning into a main venture official at Union Bernstein. The 66-year-old star financial backer has amassed a large number of dedicated supporters via online entertainment with a solid vision, which she habitually explains in YouTube recordings and tweets, that gigantic innovative progressions are reshaping the world. Indeed, even ongoing cases that the Tesla auction could before long be over Tesla's little expansion in cost somewhat recently could propose that this is valid, so we should get into it. Wood piled a claim on Tesla shares during a meeting contrasting the organization's progressions with those with Apple. As per Wood, Tesla's EV achievement will keep on changing the game, much as Apple did with the iPhone. It's straightforward the way in which Cathie Wood's underwriting would help any brand. His stakes in organizations like Teladoc Wellbeing have recently worked on stock costs. Tesla stock is likewise turning out to be progressively famous with bullish financial backers, yet seeing Wood praise its excellencies will forestall further sell-offs of the stock. Moreover, Wood's support comes at a pivotal second for Tesla. The organization just gave reports on a few new products, with downturn charges staying high. Besides, production line terminations in China because of the coronavirus pandemic have made Chinese vehicle deals dive. These factors consolidated to establish an unstable market climate, provoking a few financial backers to keep away from names like Tesla stock. Different financial backers are bound to take on a similar reasoning as Wood, and they accept that Tesla is a beneficial bet and subsequently stop further auction. One significant part of Wood's hopeful case for Tesla is the organization's innovation, which is far in front of numerous contenders. While Wood didn't distinguish names, she referenced laid-out automakers, which are organizations like Passage and Toyota. In the primary quarter of 2022, Buzz organization deals fell, while Tesla deals expanded inside a similar period. Indeed, even as downturn charges develop, Tesla stock keeps on demonstrating that not much can hold it down. Presently, Cathie Wood's underwriting is precisely the exact thing the organization expected to console financial backers of its true capacity. Tesla is as yet the undisputed head of the EV race, and it has the innovation to remain in the lead position. The as-of-late open Gigafactory in Texas will guarantee that the organization stays up with request. Beginning with Wood's initial assertions on Tesla, we can see that one reason she enjoys this stock is the similarity between the two plans of action. The supplementing rules that drove the improvement of both circular segment speculation and Tesla both depend with the understanding that quick innovative progression gives monetary development. Both are different in this idea. Instead of zeroing in on a specific innovation, they each have a wide concentration and a sweeping viewpoint. In a meeting, Wood expressed that she saw Tesla as a worth organization or one that was exchanging at a rebate to its basics. This is subsequent to surveying Tesla's benefit, income, and different measurements. Wood presumed that the stock had a great deal of space to proceed to run, as it did over the earlier year, and a portion of her initial conviction was that Tesla brought a ton to the table for the market, and that mostly provoked Wood to push Elon Musk to stay with General Society, as he considered a takeover or an auction. And it was likewise one reason circular segment speculation made such a huge interest in Tesla in any case. Cathie Wood has made a few cost expectations about the future costs of Tesla. Wood anticipated that Tesla's stock cost would arrive at $4,000 for each offer by 2023, when it was exchanging for a few times short of what it is currently. Keep in mind, this was before the 5-1 split. Accordingly, The comparing post-split share cost was 800, which arrived at 2 years sooner than she anticipated in ensuing months. Wood has really changed this to a projection that Tesla's portion cost could arrive at $3,000 for every offer by 2025. That is somewhat more runway and somewhat less greatest worth, yet it recommends that Tesla has space to grow. Besides, last month's Ars Invest distributed research that contained an especially sure value expectation of $4,600 per share for Tesla in 2026. Maybe no vehicle trapped in history has seen as much unpredictability as Tesla Inc.'s. Stock has gone from progressive organization to a virtual entertainment star, as it has to similarly enthusiastic President Elon Musk. No firm has conceivably embodied the market's supposed speculative overvaluation more than Tesla, which has as of late seen a marvelous fall in the primary quarter of 2022. Tesla's portions have fallen more than 20 starting from the start of January. As the firm plans to report benefits for the monetary final quarter examination gauge, Tesla will report $2.36 in profit per share and $16.65 billion in income. In this manner, choice unpredictability is high in light of a similar quarter a year prior. This demonstrates an in excess of 100% ascent in benefit and an about 60% expansion in income. Brokers seem, by all accounts, to be wagering that the new regrettable pattern in Tesla's portion costs will proceed. This is on the grounds that new choice request feeling has moved from bullish to negative as the stock cost has fallen and the electric vehicle market keeps on being plagued by store network constraints. Producing sell-offs in spite of the apparently distressing picture, examination will keep on giving high figures in front of Tesla's financial final quarter reports. While Tesla has laid out new industrial facilities and guaranteed record deals of electric vehicles, the investigation will zero in on the company's essentials, like gross edge, and how the organization desires to keep up with its piece of the pie advantage and forestall further sell-offs. Regardless of the new auction in Tesla shares, the organization is still by a wide margin the biggest car producer as far as market esteem. Tesla's market valuation is roughly multiple times that of its nearest rival with regards to estimate. Tesla stock has fallen 22% somewhat recently, though Toyota stock has expanded 6.3%. The outline underneath analyzes Tesla and Toyota's composed exhibition to that of 8 of the greatest automaker stocks by market cap, as well as the primary trust worldwide autofile reserve. Besides, significant despite its image stock status during the coronavirus pandemic, Tesla was beaten by industry heavyweights like Toyota, Passage Engine Organization, Stellantis NV, and Honda Engine. Practically all of the electric vehicle stocks, which were formerly beating their gas-driven companions and presently failing to meet expectations sold $66 million in Tesla stock, or 67,884 offers, around the same time that Tesla revealed benefits. The EV organization is possessed by the asset chief through 3 trade exchanged reserves. F's circular segment contribute F-curve independent innovation and mechanical technology F and bend cutting edge web F, would then sold one more $94 million in Tesla stock, or 93160 offers the following day. The 3Fs actually own 1.39 million portions of Tesla after the arrangement in a meeting with Bloomberg would make sense of that. We've been selling Tesla as of late as a result of how well it has done comparative with the other stock costs in our portfolio. It has been a decent wellspring of money, and we have taken benefits and sent them into different stocks that we feel have been unreasonably rebuffed. Wood has likewise before expressed that circular segment Fs have a willful limitation cutoff of putting 10 of an F's resources in a solitary business. Therefore, she regularly sells Tesla when its distribution comes to or approaches 10. Tesla possessed 9.36% of RU, 10.5% of ERG, and 10% of ARC at the hour of the deal. Wood as of late raised her Tesla cost expectation for 2026 to $600. The bull situation has an incredible value objective of $5,800, while the bear situation has a value focus of $2,900. The bull and bear situations are appointed to 25 likelihood by circular segment Wood, and her groups feel that Tesla's potential robo-taxi business will very beneficial, represent the greater part of Tesla's worth by 2026. Musk demonstrated during the organization's most memorable quarter profit call that Tesla expects to make a vehicle in big numbers by 2024 that is very enhanced for independence, suggesting that it probably won't have guiding wheels or pedals. At last, Workmanship predicts that under the bear situation, Tesla will sell 10 million EVs in 2026. The financial planning group guesses that Tesla will sell 17 million EVs in 2026. Under the bull situation in 2021, Tesla will have conveyed 936,172 vehicles around the world. So do you suppose Tesla will return given every one of the elements and advancements going on? Tell us down beneath in the remarks. Gratitude for watching, and keeping in mind that you're still here, feel free to click one of these two recordings on your screen. See you there.